Cat5e cable using a set of balance, power supply, DC connector and the camera. We will start off by stripping the Cat5e cable, approximately 100mm on the camera side. In our instance, we will be using the orange-white-orange cable for video, the blue-white-blue and the brown-white-brown for power. We will keep the green-white-green as a spare cable. We will now strip back the orange-white-orange and the orange, as we will be using that as the video cable for the video balan. The video balan has a grey and a white connector. We will be connecting the orange wire to grey and orange-white-orange wire to the white connector. The video balan has push terminals, so you push the terminals down, put the wires inside the video balan and secure it. And once the cable is secure, your video balan is connected. We will now strip the brown, white, brown and brown cable, which will be our positive for our DC power connection. We will now strip the blue-white cables, as this will be our negative for our DC connection. As you can see, the DC jack is clearly marked with a plus for positive and a minus for negative. Once the cables is secured in the DC jack, you will now tighten the two screws that holds the cable onto the DC jack. The camera side of your cable is now complete. We will now strip the Cat5e cable. On the DVR power supply side, the length of the cable that you strip is dependent on the distance between the DVR and your power supply. On the DVR side, we will repeat the same color code that we used on the camera side. The green cable is your spare cable. The orange-white-orange cable is your video balan cable. We will start off by stripping the orange-white-orange and connecting the orange to the grey connector of the video balan and the orange-white-orange to the white connector of the video balan. On our power supply, we have the positives in the top row and the negatives in the bottom row. We will now strip our brown-white-brown, which is our positive, and our blue-white-blue, which is our negative. And connect to the power supply channel 1, positive and negative. Our DVR side cabling is now complete.